So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to color information bars in Power BI table. So for this tutorial, I'll be working with this online retail dataset. It has multiple columns, but again, we only be working with category, subcategory, sales and profit. And in the report pane, I have already made one table with columns, category, subcategory, profit and sales. Let's say now we want to apply conditional formatting on the profit column, and this time we will be working with data bars. So let's see how we can do this. So first select the table, go to format, and in the conditional formatting select profit column first, and this time turn on the data bars thing. So the moment you turn on the data bars will be created and the default color is blue. In order to change the default color, let's click on this advanced controls, and over here for positive bars, let's say I want to give red color, and for negative bar, let's say I want to give yellow color, and just click OK. So as you guys can see, we have successfully changed the color of the information bars. All the positive bar has red color and all the negative bar has yellow color. There is one more important thing that I want to tell you guys is over here there is one feature known as show bar only, and as of now it is unchecked. That's why you can see the value as well. The moment I check this and click on OK, the values will be gone and you can only see the data bars. So I will do that over here. So I will check this and click OK. So as you guys can see, there are no values. You can only see the data bars. So in this way, one can make use of data bars as a conditional formatting thing in Power BI table. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.